Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 9 to the power of x equals 900. Solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So I can apply log of log 9 power x equals log 900. Now if you have log a power p equals p times log a. So we have x times log 10 equals log 900. We divide this by log 9. We divide this by log 9. Log 9 eliminates log 9. So we have x equals log 900 divided by log 9. Now I can have x equals log 900 is simply 36 times 25 divided by log 9. Now if you have log a times b equals log a plus log b. So from here, we are simply going to have x equals log 36 plus log 25. And this is divided by log 9. So from here, you have x equals log 36 divided by log 9 plus log 25 divided by log 9. So from here, we can have this as x equals log 36 is simply 6 to the power of 2 divided by log 9. We can have it as 3 to the power of 2 plus log 25 is simply log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 9, which is just like log 3 to the power of 2. Now, if you have log a power p, this equals p times log a. So we have x equals log 6, and the 2 will come over here. That is 2 log 6 divided by 2 log 3. Plus this is 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 3. So from here, this cancels this cancels this. We have x equals log 6 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. I can also express this as x equals log 6 is log 3 times 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. And remember, log a times b equals log a plus log b. So from here, we have x equals log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. So we divide each of the term by the common denominator. We have x equals log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. So log 3 divides log 3, we have 1. we have x equals 1 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Now, if you have log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b, so from there, we can simply have x equals 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3 plus log 5 to the base of 3. So we have this right here, 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3 plus log 5 to the base of 3. Now that is our answer. The next thing we are going to do will be to check by inserting that particular value for x right here. We have check x is 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3 plus log 5 to the base of 3. And we have 9 power x equals 900, meaning we are inserting this for x. We have 9 power 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3 plus log 5 to the base of 3 equals 900. Now, if you have a power x plus y plus z equals a power x times a power y plus times a power z. So you have 9 power 1 times 9 power log 2 to the base of 3 times 9 power log 5 to the base of 3 equals 900. So from here, we have 9 times, this is 3 power 2 of log 2 to the base of 3. 9 is 3 power 2, don't forget that, times 3 power 2 of log 5 to the base of 3 equals 900. We can multiply the exponent. We have 9 times 3 power 2 log 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power 2 log 5 to the base of 3 equals 900. Now, if you have a log b, this is just like writing log a power a. So we have 9 times 3 power log 2 power 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power log 5 power 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. So from here, we have 9 times 3 power, this is log 4 to the base of 3 times 3 power, this is log 25, that is 5 power 2 to the base of 3 equals 900. Now, if you also have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. So applying that, you are simply going to have 9 times what we have here is 4 times what we have here is 25 equals 900. So from here, you have 9 times 4, that is 36 times 25 equals 900. And 36 times 25, if you multiply 36 times 5, 5 times 6, 30, 0 carry over 3, 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, that is 18. Then you multiply 2 times 6, 12, 2 carry over 1, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So you add up. This is 0. This is 0. 1, okay, that is 9. 900. So you're having 900 equals 900. And this has satisfied the equation. This shows that the solution is obviously very correct. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.